Good morning children and welcome to your EVS class. Dear students, in our today's class, I will teach you lesson 23 birds given in page number 46 of your EVS book. Children, you might have seen birds around us. There are many birds around us. Birds are very beautiful. Some are very small and some are big in size. Most of the birds can fly. Most of the birds can fly, children. But you ever think that how does a bird can fly? Do we, the human beings, can also fly? No, human beings cannot fly, but birds can fly. Birds can fly, children. But how does a bird fly? Bird flies with the help of their wings and feathers. There are many beautiful birds around us. Some are in one color, some are in two color, and some have multicolors in the body. So if we will talk about a peacock, do you know, children? Peacock is a bird. Peacock is a bird. It is a very huge bird and it is very colorful bird. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird and it has many colors. A peacock has many colors in its body, such as blue, green, black, light green, little bit yellow and navy blue. You can find many colors in a peacock. We can also see white peacock also, children. White peacock are very rarely seen, but they exist. I have seen white peacock. If you will visit zoo, you will definitely find white peacock there. So, in our today's class, we will discuss about different types of birds. We will also know about their features. Some of the birds can fly and some of the birds cannot fly. So let us read about them. In your book, you can see that the first picture you can see that there are many pictures of birds given in page number 46 of your book. So let us talk about them one by one. The first picture that we have in our book is peacock. Just now I told you that peacock is our national bird. Peacock is a national bird. It is a very beautiful bird and peacocks can fly. How does a bird fly? Birds can fly with the help of wings and feathers. Next is sparrow. It is a very common bird, children. Sparrow. We call it goraiya in Hindi. Sparrow is a brown colored bird which is very small, which is very tiny in size. And it is commonly seen in our house, in garden, in parks. Next one is crow. Yes, children, crow is a very common bird. You can see crow anywhere. In the morning, you can see that many crows are sitting on the roof of your house or on the trees or flying in the sky. What is the color of a crow? The color of a crow is black. The color of a crow is black. Next is pigeon. Yes, children. Do you know that pigeon is a bird and it is a symbol of peace also. Pigeon signifies the symbol of peace. You can see pigeons in many colors such as black and blue, black, grey, white. These are the colors that you will find in pigeon. So pigeon is many people also keeps pigeon as their pet. Pigeon is also a small bird and they cannot fly for longer heights. The next one is parrot. Yes, children. Parrot is a very sweet bird. We all love to keep parrots as a pet. Parrot is green in color and it has a red beak. And it has a red beak in the center of his face. Parrot has a red beak, red and sharp beak. And parrot loves to eat guava and chili. What does a parrot loves to eat? A parrot loves to eat guava and chili. You will see parrot in guava tree mostly. So it is a green color bird and it has a red sharp beak on the center of his face. It is a pet animal also. Next is owl. Yes, I have drawn a beautiful picture. Also, which bird is this? This is owl. This is owl. Do you know, children, why I have drawn this picture? Because owl has something very interesting. Owl is a bird. It can move its neck in 360 directions. 360 degree. 360 degree means we, the human beings and other animals can and other birds can move their head left, right or in front. But this bird, owl can move its head all around. In fact, backside also. Owl can move his head, his neck, backside also. We cannot move our neck like more than this. But owl can move their neck backside also. In 360 degree. 360 degree means in all direction, all round. It can move their head. Owl can move their heads all around their body. So this is a very interesting feature in owl. And owls can see only at night. Owls can see only at night. They can see during night time. During night time only. So this is a very important fact about owl. Okay, children. Now let's move towards our next bird. Which one is this? Eagle. Yes, eagle. Eagle is very big in size. Eagles can fly very high. Eagles can fly very high in the sky. Eagles are very big in size. They are black or brown in color. The size of eagle is very big and they can fly at very high. They can in the sky. Next is duck. Yes, children, duck. And what is the sound of a duck? How does a duck call? Quack, quack. And where do we find a duck? Inside the water. Inside inside the water, they can also fly. Next is woodpecker. Woodpecker. Do you know, children, why woodpecker? The name behind, what is the reason behind the name of a woodpecker? The reason behind the name of a woodpecker is that woodpecker generally lives in the woods, in the hollows of the tree. In the hollows of a tree, that is wooden tree. The trees which have strong stems, which have woody stems, in that kind of tree only the woodpecker lives. So, here in your book you can see the color of woodpecker is blue, red and white mixed. And the next one is ostrich. Yes, children, it is a very big bird. It is a very big bird which is very huge in size. But one special fact that I want to tell you is that ostriches are birds, but they cannot fly. There are some birds which cannot fly. Not only ostrich, but along with ostrich, there are two other birds also which cannot fly. Who are they? Let us read about them. Do you know, children? It is given in your book. Do you know ostriches, kiwis and penguins are birds that cannot fly? Ostrich, kiwis and penguins are birds. They are birds, but they cannot fly because they are very big in size and they are very heavy. They are very heavy, that is why they cannot fly. They cannot fly. So there are how many birds which cannot fly? There are 3 birds which cannot fly: ostrich, kiwi and penguin. Kiwi is a very small size bird, but kiwis cannot fly. Penguin. Where does a penguin live? A penguin lives on ice. You can see penguins in hilly areas such as Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, such kind of hill stations. You can find penguin. Penguin lives on ice. Penguin lives on ice. One more thing that I want to tell you, children, that ostrich is a bird which cannot fly, but birds generally lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. Ostrich egg is the biggest egg. Ostrich egg is the biggest egg. So this is all about birds. So children, you will read this lesson at your home and you will watch this video properly and with utmost care and try to learn the facts that I have explained through this video. I hope, children, that you will watch this video and you will also like it. So, children, watch this video at your home and keep learning. Do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.